Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Just wanted to share my experience in couple of companies about one of the requirement on SAP SD or S4 HANA project also. I got the similar situation. Okay, this video is very important. Let's catch up. What should be the topic? What is the headline of the topic? Okay, or excited about your requirements, but how many can you confirm billing line items of SD billing document for your customers? Okay. So if customer is coming asking you innocently, how many bill line items I need to enter in billing document? It's not like your sales order requirements. Sales order and delivery, okay, 999. So billing, how much you can able to allow you first? That's the $100 question. Okay, 250, 500, 1000. It's actually 999 and just enter random numbers here. Okay, so what is the actually advantage and disadvantage if you confirm all 999 line items? I will tell you simple example. Okay, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. These are the different set of courses available at my end. SD with 101 hours. In future, I will try to update this course continuously. Okay, and SAP S4 HANA Simple logistics. If you are not yet introduced, probably you may get an ECC project or S4 HANA project directly instead of depending on your colleagues or else KT or else to manage your fears. Learn this course. Okay, and good note. If you are not introduced to real time, not yet. Till not yet, no problem. If you would like to learn how to write business documents, you can try this course, Getting Master to Write Functional Specification. And I have different set of courses. In that, pricing around 26 hours out there. And if you're looking for only S4 HANA, you try this stock transfers and S4 HANA 1909 business process configuration. It is similar like most of the similar like your ECC. You take any version 2003 or any version if you take, it doesn't matter. Okay, shipment learning with transportation. Okay, no issues. Let's come back. Okay, so if you want, you can subscribe to enhance your knowledge. Please keep in touch with me. I will help you. If you want something, you can comment. Okay. If you really want to learn that also, you can express. We can do that. Okay. Okay. Now let's get into the SAP now. So let me log in now. So we can do everything in SAP, but what is the bottleneck? Let's go to SPRO, reference IMG. Let's go to the sales and distribution and go to the billing. Okay, billing documents. You can see this. There is a bottom country specific features. Okay, your first item you observe maximum number of billing line items. So this is the place where you can control it. Okay, what is your sales organization? IN66. If you would like to maintain, you can able to maintain. For example, each billing document, it will allows maximum 50. If I said 50, after 50, the billing document will be splitted and it will be created. It will try to consume another number range. Suppose if I said 250, it will be again after 250, it will be consumed. But be careful with this feature, I'm telling you. Suppose if you maintain 999 here, what is the disadvantage? Okay, it's been a long time. I have presented Excel. Let me open Excel. I can explain you this one. Okay, with simple example. So you can see this screen, right? For example, you have a line 10. Okay. For line 10, you have a base price and you have a total of discounts and you have a something called surcharges and you have a freight and you have something called taxes. Okay, this is the flow it goes. We really wanted to learn pricing, getting into my courses. I'm just providing these links below of the video for S4 HANA and standard level advanced. If you look at here, suppose if you look at here, billing document for this line item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines of accounting document lines you required. Okay. For example, if you say in this example, if I say 250, 5 into 250, okay, 750 lines. For example, this is 300 assume. 5, even 300 also it won't allow you. 5 into 3, 1500. Your billing document will fail, your accounting document will fail. That's the observation. So you have to put restriction because we got these kind of issues in my first project and recently. Okay. So you have to tell to the client how many line items need to enter. Suppose someone did go live, went to the line, it came to the support. What I didn't remember, there is some kind of SAP note. Okay. What SAP note says, maximum it will be allowed 999. Okay. Maybe customization. You can do it something, but it will lead to a lot of issues in tax tables and other tables. That's why SAP suggested that if you do manipulation of creating more line items and your own way of enhancements, don't get back to me. I will not help you. These are my empty hands. Okay, for this requirement. So better don't do that. Generally, these kind of requirements will come very rare in real time implementation, like big retail projects or somewhere. But lucky that I have seen that, that's why I have learned. I wanted to share this with you. So if you are a beginner, then don't commit this one. But this is the place where you can control. For example, 50 is there. It will allow us 250 till some 260, 270 like that. If any document failed, you can increase a little, which is permissible for your accounting document based on the line items it will generate. But actually the threshold, what you try to keep should be acceptable both FI side and SD side. Otherwise, it will be a big problem for you. It will be a big mess. That's why I didn't tell. So yesterday video, I spoke about maximum number of line items in sales order, 6 digit, right? Here we shouldn't do all those things. Okay. So I think good to wind up. If you really wanted to learn with that seriousness, the pricing, and especially for SD folks, I'm telling you, you do this course first. Immediately you do this course without gap. Actually, you will have 1 hour recap, 1.5 hour. After that, you will get into the actual standard flow of pricing. If you're S4 HANA consultant, also you can try this, or ECC consultant, also you can try this. Both way it can be useful. Okay. So consignment sale or intercompany sale, consignment sale, no difference in ECC, but intercompany sales, it has a bit difference because of your master data CVA integration. If you wanted to know, you can try. And credit management, if you have interest, if you would like to add your skill in S4 HANA, you try this course, especially for SD folks. It is very good, even though settings move to FI. If they don't know, you can help and you can create impact on your projects actually. You wanted to say anything? No comments, no likes. Okay, no problem. You're learning, that is okay. If you really like, it is good for my channel actually. Thank you so much, so that reach will be high. I'm not getting any money, don't think another way. So my reach will be high. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. I wish you all